Concrete air meter. Mastering air content measurement. Ever wondered how to ensure your concrete's durability? It all starts with proper air content measurement. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide using a concrete air meter. First, dampen the inside of the air meter bowl. This prevents the concrete from sticking and ensures accurate readings. Next, fill the bowl with fresh concrete in 3 layers, consolidating each layer with a tamping rod. After consolidating each layer, tap the sides of the bowl to release any trapped air. Strike off the excess concrete with a straight edge, ensuring a smooth, level surface. Clean any concrete from the flange. Clamp the cover tightly onto the bowl, ensuring an airtight seal. Open the air valve and use a syringe to inject water through one of the petcocks until all air is expelled. Close the air valve. Pump air into the chamber until the gauge needle reaches the initial pressure line. Tap the gauge glass lightly to release any friction. Open the air valve, and the gauge will indicate the air content percentage directly. Read the air content percentage on the gauge immediately after opening the valve. Record this value in your quality control logs. Compare the reading to the specified air content range for your concrete mix design. If the air content is outside the acceptable range, adjustments to the air-entraining admixture dosage may be necessary. Always consult your mix design specifications and a qualified concrete technician. Proper air content ensures freeze-thaw resistance and long-term durability. Ready to elevate your concrete quality control? Subscribe for more expert tips and tricks. Download our free concrete testing checklist